What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is episode 150, and today we're gonna take a look at playing one of my favorite setups, which is the neckline breakout. All right, so I did cover this in a short, and it was posted to my channel yesterday, but I just wanted to dig a little bit deeper into this so I can give you guys more of a thorough explanation. So here we have QQQ pulled up on the charts right here. I do have some key levels mapped out. So we do have this area here, which is 479.54 as our resistance, which is this purple line. And it went all the way up to this line, hit it, bounced, and then came back down, right? And this formed the first top. So the neckline works with what is called like a double top or a double bottom. In this case, it's a double top, so it looks like the letter M. So it has one point that goes up here, comes back down, right? Forms the middle of the M, goes back up, and then attempts to come back down. Now, right around here is where I establish my neckline. So the way how neckline breakouts work is it goes up in this case because this one is a double top. It goes up, touches the resistance, comes back down to the neckline, bounces off the neckline again, goes back up to form the second top, which makes it a double top. And when it comes back down, if it actually hits this line, based on when it hits this line, it's going to determine exactly what kind of situation we have, whether a bullish or a bearish. So this is my neckline, as you can see, and the price here is 479.08 on QQQ. So if it broke below this neckline with confirmation, and for me, confirmation could be something as, you know, huge maraboozle, so a strong green candle, in this case, let's say it's going down, a strong purple candle with no kind of wicks, and then we would have a second candle forming that's also purple. We would jump in at that point, and it would be considered bearish for us. So in this case, it made a bullish run. All right. So when we go ahead and just zoom in here, we could see that it came down, right? So came back down here for the second time. Boom, 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 boom. Hit the neckline. We had a little bit of consolidation, and we had this doji here, and boom. A huge green candle just came up, very bullish, right? And we were watching, and then boom, we had the second one, and it broke also resistance. So all along, the stock has been respecting resistance, which is this purple line. It broke above it, and we entered right here. So this was our entry. And then look, another massive halt candle, another one, and then a super huge one, just like surges. And this is getting towards like the end of the day. So it just kept running. Then boom, we had what looks like a doji that was about to form here. It was about to be, you know, 4, which is close to the end of the day. And I know people would start selling off. So I went ahead and took profits at this point. But we played it from here all the way up to here and made massive profits on this simple setup. So I just wanted to point this out to you guys that you want to try and identify these M patterns or double tops or double bottoms. If it's a double bottom, it would more look like a W. All right. But try to identify these patterns, establish what your neckline is, and just sit and wait to see when it breaks the neckline and what direction it's going to go. Wait for your confirmation and then play it that way. All right. But that's it for the video today, guys. I just wanted to drop that gem on you guys real quick. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing. I make new videos like this every day, dropping gems that you could use along your investing journey. Please go ahead and like this video. Also share this video with a family member or friend. Also go ahead and check out my shorts. I drop a lot of gems on those shorts here on my channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me, I've also created a paid chat on Instagram. It's $9.99 a month. I post my plays pre-market when I'm interested in the plays, and once I get into the play, I also post a screenshot. Thanks again for watching the video, guys. I do appreciate it. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day. Peace.